Say today is March 28th, day 25. Say I'm teething. Well, my mommy thinks so. The way I'm chewing on everything. It's Monday. We go back for chemo on Tuesday. She's really, really hyper. It's about 5 p.m. She's hyper. Are you hyper? Uh-huh. Yeah, I thought so. Can you wave? Or are you not waving today? Say hey. Leanna, what you playing with? You have fun? Well, thank you for all your prayers. They're obviously working. We thank you for everything that everyone has done for us and whatnot. Please continue to pray. Thank you. Say bye.